In this video, we will see the construction of tangents. For this, the required things are: number one, the radius of circle; number two, an external point from which the tangents are to be drawn on the circle, and the distance of external point will be measured from center. Okay? For example, let us draw a tangent with circle of radius 4 centimeter, and a pair of tangents is to be drawn from an external point 7 centimeter away from center. Okay, so what we will do, first of all, using compass, we have to construct a circle of radius 4 centimeter as we have taken in example. So of radius 4 centimeter, we will draw a circle. This is our circle, and this is center. Let it be O. Okay. Now we are needing the external point, which should be 7 centimeter away from center. Yes, I have taken for example. In questions we will get different measurements. So we are free to take the external point anywhere here outside around the circle. So as per your convenience, you can take the point anywhere. So let us measure the distance of external point. Should be 7 centimeter away from center. So I am going to take the external point this side. You can take it anywhere. So starting from center, as we have the radius is 4 centimeter, extending it 3 centimeter more, we have the external point at 7 centimeter. Now this we have to join. Let P be our external point from which we have to draw pair of tangents at the circle. Now, the basic of this construction is that after joining the external point with center, the line segment we got, we have to perpendicularly bisect it. For perpendicularly bisecting it, we need the radius of the arc more than half of the length OP. Okay, more than half. And by taking the radius, draw two arcs, one up, one down from the point P, and repeating same procedure, draw two arcs, one up, one down from point O, intersecting previous arcs. Now let us join these points of intersection. You can join it with dotted lines. Just make sure that it should cut OP. So you will get here a point. Let the point be A, or you can take any other point. Now, as A is the midpoint of OP, so using the radius OA is equal to PA, we have to draw a circle which will be intersecting our previous circle at 2 points. I hope you got the idea. Using A as center and using OA or PA as radius, we will draw another circle which will intersect our previous circle at 2 points. Let it be Q and R. Now we have to join PQ and RP, which are our pair of tangents. Okay, so this way we have to construct the pair of tangents. It is the basic question in which we will be given the radius and an external point some distance away from center. From that point we will draw the pair of tangents.